Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I'm super excited for this video because I thought it would be fun to go ahead and chat about some of my favorite packaging ever on indie makeup products. I just really appreciate a unique, beautiful design, so I thought we'd go ahead and talk about my favorites today. If you are new to my channel, I love discussing independently owned makeup brands and their products, so if that sounds like content you would enjoy, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so the very first product I think you're going to be a little bit surprised by because it's not normally my aesthetic, but I just appreciate its uniqueness so much. This is the Bitter Lace Beauty Liquid Highlighter in the shade Whimsical, and it is a little skull highlight. I just feel like this is so cute. The actual cap of the packaging has like a rainbow all around it, and it's metallic, and it has a little dropper inside, so you can just go ahead and pick up whatever product you need and disperse whatever you need. But it is just so adorable, and it reminds me of like a witch's potion or something. I love having this displayed on the top of my dresser here just because I think it's so cute and it makes me happy looking at it, and I can't even fully explain it because, like I said, I'm normally not into spooky things, but I think it is adorable. And actually, you know what, maybe if I get like a pumpkin or something to do like a fall background, I'll end up throwing this. I'll end up putting this back here. Do the eyes look a little creepy, or is that just me? I don't know. And it also smells like candy, which I appreciate. I don't know if I said this or not, but this is actually the product that inspired the idea for this video just because it's so cool. And then next I have a palette from Kaleidos Makeup, and I just went ahead and picked one of them out, but I love the packaging on all of their mini palettes. I think it is so cute. It is very compact. If you've never seen it before, it opens up like this, and you've got the little mirror there, and then the other side just says Kaleidos. And I just think that the layout of this is super cool. I appreciate how compact it is. I feel like it's very convenient that if you are going to do your eyes with this palette, the mirror is like the perfect size, because even though it's not super wide, it's enough that you can see your eyes, and the palette's not too heavy. It's just super easy to dip in and do your makeup with this if you do like to do your makeup on the go, or if you just like smaller products in general, products that don't take up that much room. I really love their palette packaging, and then the different colors and patterns they do is really cool as well. I love the like little foiling on this one. So even though, I mean, I love their formula as well, and I think they're great quality, the packaging just makes it for me. Okay, next I have to mention my blush from LAKEY Cosmetics. Here is what the packaging looks like. It is wooden, and it is just super cute, and the way it opens up is that it swivels, and it has a little magnet right here, and then on the swivel part it has a mirror as well, which I mean is not the most convenient mirror to use, but I really don't even care. But I just think it looks super cool and earthy, and the blush pan actually does pop out, so if you finish it or you want to put a different blush in, you can do that and just reuse this packaging. So I really love this one, and every time I use it, it just makes me happy. I feel like it's so unique. Okay, so next I have my Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette, and this is like one of the only palettes that I actually keep in the packaging that it came in, just because it is so pretty and so thick and nice, and I feel like it's just, it like goes together. I don't want to get rid of the packaging. But here is what the inside looks like, and I just feel like it is so beautiful, and it's supposed to be a spell book. It is so pretty. All of the details are just absolutely stunning. You even got like the golden pages, which I love. I just feel like there was obviously so much work put into this palette. And then on the inside, it is pretty as well. I do really love the color story, and overall I really enjoyed the quality of this palette. But as far as packaging goes, it is just killer. Or should I say it's just magical. Alright, next I wanted to mention one of the highlighters from the Nomad Cosmetics Studio 54 collection. I just absolutely love these. They're so girly and glam. There's another one that is a golden glitter, but I love a good pink glitter moment. And even though it feels textured and it looks super sparkly and glittery in real life, it's not the type where the glitter comes off, which I really appreciate. Here's what the inside looks like, which I think is beautiful as well, and I just love this packaging in general. I also do really like the Smoky Glow packaging from the collaboration with Midas Cosmetics, which is another little pink sparkly moment. It just depends on what kind of sparkles you want to go for, but I love the pink glam. So I have to mention these two palettes together, and even though the color stories on both of them are stunning, the packaging definitely is what sold me into buying both of these. In fact, buying the entire collection because I was having a crazy moment. But this is the Melt Cosmetics Vida and Muerte palettes, and I think they are so so stunning. I love that they go together. They actually, the magnets connect. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, it's not super strong to where they're truly going to stick, but they do stick a little bit. But I just love the artwork. I love that they connect. I love that they have all these raised petals. I think everything on here is just truly so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Tell me why I never even realized that the back matches up too. It is so, so stunning. And then on the inside, the details around the mirror is just so beautiful. I think packaging wise, these are my two favorite palettes ever. All right, next I have a lipstick here from M Cosmetics. Unfortunately, they don't sell these anymore. I'm not sure if they're ever gonna bring them back, but this is actually the product that got me to try M Cosmetics, EMME. They're a Canadian small indie brand. And I remember just seeing this packaging and thinking it was so beautiful online. It reminded me of a MAC lipstick that I purchased it right away. It's just a really pretty greigey nude, and I did really like the formula as well. It was pretty creamy and comfortable, but the packaging is definitely what sold me on purchasing this, again with the pink sparkles. I just really, really love that one. It makes me happy. And then another product from Lunar Beauty that I have to mention is their Moon Prism powders, and I just think the compacts on these are stunning. Super, super beautiful. You can actually see through to the product just a tiny bit, but I have the lightest shade so it doesn't show through as much. It's just a really nice highlighter, but I just think the packaging in general is super beautiful. I don't know why I want to say it was supposed to look like a stone from a dragon show, but I feel like I'm wrong. I feel like it was something else, and I just don't even know what I'm talking about, but I do just think it looks so beautiful, so unique. I love that it's a little bit holographic, and I just feel like Lunar Beauty in general, their packaging is 10 of 10. Actually, you know what? I forgot to pull it out, but wow. How many things can I drop at once? Everything, apparently. Okay, let's be honest. I cannot film this video and not also mention their Moon Prism blush palette. It is just stunning. The moons are all raised, and just the details on this one are beautiful. I love the soft pink packaging on the inside as well. So the last product I want to show you is quite new to my collection, but the packaging is so beautiful I cannot not mention it. This is the Alva 2 Odin's Eye highlighter palette, and it is just stunning. I love that it's light blue with golden accents. I said this before and I'll say it again, but it reminds me so much of Cinderella. Like if Cinderella had a highlighter palette, it would be this. Even though this is based on fairies and Norse mythology and not Disney, but that's okay. I just think it is stunning. There's like a little butterfly in this one, and like all of the little details around the palette, and even around the mirror there's like little butterflies flying. It is just so, so beautiful. It makes me happy. Alright, so that is everything for today's video. It was just a really quick one. I would love to know what your favorite packaging is on any makeup product ever, and to the opposite of this, if you would like me to do a video on my least favorite packaging, I can do that as well. Let me know, but that's everything. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.